Hello students, it is practice set 4.1 question number 2 we are going to solve over here. The question is in question triangle PQR is similar to triangle LTR is given. In triangle PQR some measurements are given. PQ is equal to 4.2 centimeter, QR is equal to 5.4 centimeter, PR is equal to 4.8 centimeter. We have to construct triangle PQR and triangle LTR such that the ratio is given PQ upon LT is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, so here you have to observe that this R and R are the common. The one vertex is common among these two triangles. So I had drawn a rough figure likewise. If it is the triangle PQR and if we are taking the R as a common vertex, then it becomes likewise LTR. Okay, we're considering we're considering the this diagram that we have to draw by using the given measurement. Okay, so here I had drawn the triangle PQR with the given measurement. Look here, it is 4.8 centimeter, PR is 4.8 centimeter, PQ is 4.2 centimeter, and QR is 5.4 centimeter. That I would make the arc and I had made a triangle. Okay, what the next concept is, the common vertex is given, the ratio is given 3 upon 4. So whatever the maximum parts are given there, in that I had extended this R to Rx, this line segment I had extended over here. I had extended this Y also, and I also extended this line, this ray RQ little bit more. Okay, because we need this part, we are going to draw this part. Okay, so here what to do, first of all PR, third part of the PQ is joined over here, means here the R section, R3 section is joined with this P. I am joining this over here. Okay, this is, now we need this part, we are going to draw this part, we are going to construct this part. How to construct them? It is simple way, in simple way I'm showing you. You have to keep take your protect the compass, keep over here and make an arc of the any measurement. Okay, make that arc, then come on to the R4 and make an arc. Okay, like after making this arc, take the measurement of this to this. Okay, where it is intersecting ray R X and PR, where that points are intersecting. Take that measurement. I'm taking this measurement, it is equal to exactly likewise. Okay, so keep your point where it get intersected and make an arc over here. Which point? The point of intersection on this line of this arc. Okay, here, and mark that. After that, take your scale and passing R and passing through this point, you have to make a line segment up to the on the line Y. Okay, so here I am joining this like this. Okay, so this, right? Now we have to draw, we got this here, we got the point L over here, this is our point L. Okay, now we have to draw the LT, that is our main part of your triangle LTR. After drawing this constructing LT, we get the triangle LTR. So how to construct? Same case, take the compass, make an arc. Just we had it like done here. Likewise, you do here. Make an arc over here. Okay, by keeping the P as a center. Now L as a center. Point L on ray A, Y, and make an arc. Okay, and similar, measure this distance from this to this in your compass. Okay, right, it is an measure it exactly. Okay, right, now keep that over here, don't keep it on P, it is on that intersection point. Okay, and cut this arc. Okay, you will get the point over here. Now take your scale and join this and this and pass on to the ray RQ there. Okay, so here I am passing this, right? So here we got the point T, and we hit complete our construction. Okay.